Unveiling the best 5 screen recording softwares. Attention all content creators, gamers, and tutorial enthusiasts. Are you tired of searching for the perfect screen recording software to capture your screen in stunning detail? Well, your search ends here. We have compiled the ultimate list of the top 5 screen recording software that will take your recordings to new heights. Get ready to elevate your content with jaw-dropping visuals and seamless recording experiences. Let's dive in. On number 5, there comes the Bandicam. Unleash your creativity. First on our list is Bandicam, the pioneer of screen recording software. With Bandicam, you will embark on an epic journey of content creation like never before. This powerful software provides an array of features designed to amplify your recording experience, capture high-quality videos, take screenshots, and even record gameplays with incredible precision. Bandicam's user-friendly interface and customizable settings make it the go-to choice for both beginners and professionals alike. So grab your creativity and let Bandicam bring your vision to life. There are certainly the pros and cons of all the softwares that we have mentioned here. So the pros of the Bandicams are as easy to use interface with customizable settings, high quality video recording and screenshot capability, supports game recording with minimal performance impact, offers real-time drawing and mouse effects for enhanced tutorials, allows recording from external devices like webcams and HDMI capture devices. Cons of Bandicam: limited free version with watermark and recording time restrictions, only provide 10-minute free recording. Some advanced features are only available in the paid version, that is feature-rich as other software options on the market. On the number 4, there comes the OBS Studio. Ignite your streaming career. Prepare to be blown away by the sheer awesomeness of OBS Studio. This open-source gem has revolutionized the streaming industry with its versatile features and robust performance. Whether you are a Twitch streamer, a YouTuber, or a live event enthusiast, OBS Studio has got your back. Customize your scenes and transitions and overlay captivating graphics with ease. But that's not all. OBS Studio supports multiple platforms and integrates seamlessly with your favorite streaming platforms. Get ready to ignite your streaming career and captivate your audience like never before. Pros and cons of OBS Studio. Pros: free and open source software with a dedicated community. Powerful features for customizing scenes, transitions, and overlays. You can basically customize your recording on the go or while you are live. Supports multiple platforms, streaming and recording. Provides advanced audio controls and filters. Offers plugin support for additional functionality. Cons: requires a learning curve for beginners due to its extensive features. Lack of official customer support. May require additional plugins for certain functionalities. Can be resource intensive, affecting performance on low-end systems. On the number 3, there comes the NVIDIA Shadowplay. Unleash the power of your GPU. Calling all gaming enthusiasts, NVIDIA Shadowplay is here to redefine your gaming experience. This state-of-the-art software, powered by the NVIDIA GPU, allows you to record and share your most epic game moments effortlessly. With its hardware-accelerated recording capability, you won't miss a single frame of action. Take advantage of its instant replay feature to capture those awe-inspiring in-game moments with just a click. And did we mention the seamless integration with popular streaming platforms? NVIDIA Shadowplay is the ultimate game changer for all gaming affectionates. NVIDIA Shadowplay pros and cons. Pros: seamlessly integrates with NVIDIA GPUs for optimized performance. Hardware accelerated recording with minimal impact on gameplay. Instant replay feature to capture and save epic gaming moments. Supports recording at high resolutions and frame rates. Easy to use interface with minimal configuration required. Cons: limited to NVIDIA GPU users only. May not work with older GPU models or non-NVIDIA systems. Lacks some advanced features compared to dedicated recording software. Limited editing capabilities compared to dedicated video editing software. On the number 2 comes AMD ADRENALIN. Elevate your gaming arsenal. If you are rocking an AMD graphics card, then AMD ADRENALIN is your secret weapon for top-notch screen recording. The software powerhouse offers a wide range of recording options tailored to gamers' needs. Experience ultra-smooth gameplay while your adventures in stunning detail. With AMD ADRENALIN's cutting-edge features like Radeon anti-lag and Radeon image sharpening, you will witness your gaming content reach new heights. Select according to your system details and press submit to download the AMD Adrenalin. Pros: optimized for AMD graphics card users, leveraging GPU performance, offers various recording options tailored for gamers, supports features like Radeon anti-lag and Radeon image sharpening, includes streaming capabilities with integration to popular platforms like YouTube and Facebook, provides a user-friendly interface and easy setup. Cons: exclusive to AMD GPU users, limiting accessibility. Some features may not be as polished as dedicated recording software. Limited editing options and post-processing effects may have compatibility issues with certain games or configurations. On the number 1, Xbox Game Bar. Unleash your inner gamer. Last but certainly not least, we have the legendary Xbox Game Bar. Built directly into Windows 10, this hidden gem is perfect for gamers seeking simplicity and convenience. Activate the Game Bar with a single keystroke and effortlessly record your gameplay with missing a beat. Take screenshots, record clips, and even live stream directly from your PC with Xbox Game Bar. You'll tap into your inner gamer and share your incredible gaming moment with the world. Xbox Game Bar pros and cons. Pros: built-in software for Windows 10 and 11 users, no additional downloads required. Quick and easy access with a single keystroke. Allows recording screenshots and live streaming directly from the PC. Minimal impact on system performance. Integrates well with Xbox Live and Microsoft services. Cons of Xbox Bar: limited customization options compared to dedicated software. Basic editing features with no advanced post-processing effects like certain features like webcam overlays and multi-channel audio. May have compatibility issues with non-Windows stock cams. So these are the 5 screen recording softwares that we have unleashed for you. We have searched a lot and we came up with these 5 top softwares